My wrists are braced. My controller is on. Chaperone is looping. Let's do this. Okay, I just gotta get past the orange guys. Actually, we're gonna do a quick down because we're here and it's dark in my room, so in theory, I'll be able to see this place better. Do a little flip slug cat. But I also don't know. Well, I guess, you know, that's the purpose of exploration, but I don't know if there's like an map. Big long pole. I don't know if the, oh no, there does appear to be elsewhere to explore in there from the faint details I can see. Y'all, I'm tired. It's Sunday. It's 8 at night. I'm tired. And I was like, oh, I could just go to bed, but I was like, no. This is my time to record. This is what I must do. Because I've fallen a little bit behind on my recording schedule, but it's okay. I'm burning the candle at both ends, so right now we're just balancing. We're just trying to make it all work. Oh, this is so much easier to see when I don't have a sun blasting my eyes. Or not blasting my eyes, but blasting from behind. I mean, it's still insanely dark, but I can, like, make out shapes. Oh. I go up. Over. I've gotta remember I'm at the top there. And okay, so I'm here. And I know this is the end of the platform. And is the pipe over there? See, I can't quite tell what is and is not pipe. That's the thing. And so then I just kaboom immediately. Like unless I'm horribly wrong. Maybe I'm supposed to be coming at this area from a different angle. My karma's at 0, so it's fine. We're just throwing a little bit because I want to understand this area better now that I can see it a little better. Actually, in a second, I gotta minimize you so you're not blasting as much light in my face, other monitor. I know, I put those 2 sticks up and I'm not exploring over there, but we'll get there, okay? I just want to check this area out first, because I think when I go up, because let's be honest here, I've been going up, I haven't really, like, I've been just going through areas, not necessarily exploring other areas, which means I'm going to have to go back, but that's a problem for future me. Right now, we go up, and hopefully I reach the limit of up, and I can go other places. But see, if I go at it from a different angle, will I even be able to get out? How much food is in my tummy? Okay, I need one more little food pip. Oop. I'm gonna go up. No, that is not how I meant for that to go. Oh, stop it. Bonked my head that time. Is there really... I gotta get real close. I cannot see a way to go up, question mark? Like outside of here, but this is death zone. And I don't really want to go to death zone. Am I just bad at jumping? Hold on. Well, okay, I guess we'll explore this side. I meant to go up and then try to catch this stuff on the left here. Oh wait, I can go this way. That's not anything I can grab right there. That's in the background, not the foreground. I'm in the foreground. Just to double check. Will that... just fall immediately instead. Just double checking that this isn't anything I can grab. No. Then what is... unless I'm horribly confused, is that a pipe right up there that I can go through? That might be, but I think I need some sticks to get to it, and I don't have sticks. I understand that's a side that I can go over there, but I can't jump to it. Actually, that might not be a connecting pipe. Oh, and the pipe down here continues to go up? That doesn't look correct. Oh! That is so hard to see. I can't wait till I'm editing later, and it's just like clear as day how not... how blind I am. But I once again do not know what is foreground and what is background. Oh, nothing is clear in my map. We're just gonna trust. Huh?! Huh? But how do I get out of here? I shouldn't do this. Oh, thank God. Thank God I missed that jump. Okay, no, we're gonna go up. We're gonna go up now. Because I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna sleep in there. Although I guess that wouldn't set the save because I wasn't at full food. But I was gonna sleep in there and be stuck forever. And we were all gonna be miserable together as we relive misery. Slug, slug, slug. I feel like there's a better way to climb this area, and I'm just not doing it. That's fine. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? Anyway, how's everyone been? I've been very busy. I would like to stop being busy. I have been doing something every weekend, and I've been, you know, working my job, which is an overtime, and then I've also been trying to but replay all of Dragon Age in preparation for Dragon Age Veilguard, and it took me, what, 3 weeks? No, not 3 weeks. It couldn't have been 3 weeks to beat Origins, but definitely at least 2 weeks to beat Origins. God, that's a great game, but it's so long. Parts of that game are just so long. Why is Orzammar like that? Somebody... game devs, turn on your location. Why was Orzammar like that? And then I just beat the DLC, Awakening. Gosh, so good. So good. It's the way there's so much stuff that happens in Origins that will just never have an implication on later games ever, because in Inquisition we decided to throw so much to the wind. People would argue with me on that, and those people are wrong. But it's such a good game, but it's so long. Why is Orzammar like that? Why are the deep roads like that? Deep roads are the worst part of Dragon Age Origins. I know other people hate other parts, but I'm sorry. The deep roads have no business being that long. But now, this week, I just started Dragon Age 2, my beloved, my most favorite game in the whole wide world. So that's exciting. My Hawk's name is Robin. She's a warrior. Huh! Horrible. Oh, no. Climb. Climb, my boy. We have to erase the orange guys. We have to erase them. There's only one of you. I don't trust like that. is not fair that you're just vibing there. Oh, get... No! 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 This isn't fair. Oh. None of you, no. We didn't see that. I did that perfectly fine. Look, I'm up! I'm in a new spot, and I'm up. And it's so cloudy up here. This doesn't make me want to throw up at all. No! I learned my lesson. I learned. Nope. That's okay. Okay, I don't know how I'm gonna get over that little wiggle worm bump. How much of the day? Okay, I got plenty of the day. Plenty of the day. So I'm glad to know that I can fall here. How am I gonna get over that? Can I just do this? I'm not fast enough at the clicking. Oh! I don't know how I did that. I'm very... Oh, that's not fair. That's not fair that you're up there. No! No! I threw it the wrong way. No. 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 I just gotta accept my fate. It's not fair. Okay. Well, hopefully he's moved and I can hit him, get past him. I'm bad at fighting them, okay? I understand that. And I know I should try befriending them, but I think I need, like, meat or something for that. I don't fully understand. I tried throwing a dead thing at one of them once, and they just wanted me. They wanted my soft little slug body. Ooh, stick. You know who I miss? I miss the scabies. Those guys were my friends. Okay, over. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 past the Russell Motel. Up, 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 up. Past the heavy side layer. And I will not let this be a misery montage part 2. I will not. If I keep dying, I'm just going, we're leaving the wall. I think this area is called the wall. I don't remember because I was in misery. We're going to leave the wall and we're going to go back down. And we're going to explore other areas. Maybe we'll go back to the drainage system because that was an area that made me sad. And I feel I'm a stronger gamer now. Believe in the heart of the cards and all of that. So maybe I'll go tackle that again. You are not supposed to be there. Okay, he left me alone. No, I'm not gonna toy with fate. I'm just gonna walk past. Not gonna try and jump and catch guys for a snack. We're gonna be a humble little boy, and we're gonna keep going. We're climb up. Turn around. Excellent. Oh wait, that's right. I can do this over here. We keep going up. And I just gotta get past the orange guys, and they're gonna be in a horrible little spot. And it's fine. No, it does not appear. What? Oh, wait. No, it's connecting to the thing that I'm climbing to right now. I misread the map. It's fine. Why not, you know? I forgot that that doesn't connect to up here. And if I'm just really fast, you won't kill me. No. Herg. Yeah. You can't hurt me. I missed. And I fired, and then I missed. And then I fired again, and then I missed. I fired 2 times. Missed both times. Why? Herg. Okay. The Herg makes the jump better. Oh, I have to make this jump, but I don't remember how this jump worked. I don't remember how I don't know how I did this. An invisible dude's not here. Good. I can continue without any horrible consequences. Oh, food here. Hi. He was right there. He was right there. I almost jumped into him. I mean, I have to find a bed eventually, right? That is horrible vibes to go down there. I have to find a bed eventually, right? We're gonna go this way. I feel like maybe double jumping would be faster here. Pole. 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 2 poles! I've been deceived. Well, okay, I guess I can throw a stick there and jump there. Do I just try and fight pole plant? I think I maybe try and fight the pole plant. But you know what? Before we go up again, we go down again. Because I still crave exploration of down here. Even though I'm pretty sure if I stayed here, I'd get horribly stuck. Also, there's the little, like, alien creature mural, and I want to understand that, and that is related to here. Go down? Thinking about the pole plants and what I'm gonna do about them. I'll just stick through, that's nice for me. Okay, up, up, just launch myself into oblivion from that side. What? There's poles up there for me to grab? Oh, it's that one. But it is saying there's poles up top to grab. Which I don't know how? I don't think that's just me not having eyes. I think that's things blending into the foreground, maybe? Okay.